Live from the command center of the jwsolarusa. This is what I have for you guys today, just to make this video really short and nice. And I ordered myself, you guys saw the last time, the other panels. This is a solar panel, foldable solar panel for charging electronics like cell phone, tablets, and iPhone, Samsung, or whatever Android devices, or any portable thing you think about, like battery chargers for your cameras and all little gadgets. So I ordered myself a camo military color, whatever you call it, camouflage. So camo color, and this is what it is. It comes with the wires that support for different USB Type C, and just USB standard thing. And you can see this one is for iPhones, and if you see that, for all the fans for iPhones, you know what it is. And the old school for other devices, and the USB Type C for the latest Android charging, fast charging. So here, what I have here is we have some to stop here so that we can able to hook up this thing like on a backpack or on a tree or somewhere else supposed to be charged. And it comes with 2 USB ports, port 1, port 2. All of them produce 5 volts, 3 amps. This panel is claiming to be, the manufacturer claimed that this is a 100-watt solar panel. Well, I'm not saying I can believe that, but I just have to try it. But there's no way this thing is going to be a 100-watt module. Because of the advertisement saying it's 100-watt, that brought the curiosity for me to buy this thing. It's not expensive, but anyway, it has a magnetic thing on the side here. So 2 magnets on the sides here, magnet plates, and they just sticks right away. And this is what it looks like. So let me finish with this. Is USB a 5 volt and 3 amps on each. So the max it pulls is 6 amps continuous. So if you plug one thing here, it gives you 3 amp. That's what the specification said. I'm gonna put that on the description below. You can read it yourself. And this is nice, kind of nice built. It's a monocrystalline solar panel, and this is what it looks like. It's a really nice, nifty panel here, and I just like the material. It's really nice. So guys, this is what I was gonna show you today, and I hope you like. And we can put it on the bench and test it. And you guys know how we do it. We put things and test it to prove it, just like the other ones the last time. And those ones are Mighty Max. So I might probably do comparison on them two to see which one perform better. But guys, let's check this out. I ordered it. It's supposed to come from California. All of a sudden, it took almost a month to be here. Then I was like, this is not California anymore. It might be coming from China or somewhere else. So eventually, I think it came from China because it transit all the way to Jamaica. So I was like, I was tracking it. Why am I buying something? They said California is ending all the way Jamaica, transiting. Then I was like, uh-oh. This is not a good deal. But let's check this out and see. It took a long time for it to get here, almost very close to a month. So I decided to wait and wait and wait. All of a sudden, they said it's still sitting in Jamaica, and all of a sudden it transit to San Diego, and all of a sudden, the time they said it's gonna arrive here, it came in almost early because they're anticipating for a month before it showed up here. And I was like, well, I'm not ordering something from the United States. It takes a month, and I'm in the US. But Seems like the transit makes me really wonder. All the way in Jamaica, I was like, wow, Jamaica. So we'll have to go Jamaica first and come to the US. So I don't understand that. But anyway, this is what it is. I just want to show you. I hope what they anticipating or whatever they said is true, but it's too hard to be true for a panel like this to be 100 watts. It might be, who knows. This is a mono, and it's really thin and nice built. And this is the controls here. You can see it. And I try, let's see. Right now it's getting darker here. I don't know how this thing's gonna show. Maybe, oh, there you go, it's flashing. See that? Let me show you. It's flashing. This is what it looks like right now. The sun almost getting sunset here. The location in Minnesota. This is how I look at that. It's a beautiful day today. Look at the moon right there. I don't know if you can see it. And let me see, I can zoom right there. It's like a thumbnail. Real beautiful. Small one. Well, anyway, guys, this is what it looks like. And seems like this thing is picking up the light. I don't know how powerful it is, but let's check it out. Even though I have the camera lights, you see the blinker is blinking really fast. Okay, now it stops. Okay, I gotta tilt the panel. You see it, it's blinking. There you go. So it's gonna be like this, and when you plug something, then it's ready to go. And it will change probably to green. And I think that's it. Can't pick up anymore, or maybe my finger, who knows. Well, guys, just want to show you guys this is what it is. We will put this to test on the weekend. See, it says a USB 1, USB 2. See that? So I can plug two devices here, can able to charge my tablet PC, which is a tablet, but it's a laptop, Windows 10 on it, and you can go Android into it. So just want to show you, there's a solar panel, and I hope what is anticipating or what they said is right. It said 100 watts. No way. Good luck with that. So let's try. I'm not gonna. It's too small. It's too hard to believe. It's too hard to believe. So, guys, this is what it is. We'll check it out on the weekend, right? And see how everything turned out for us. Live here at the command center, 100 watt solar, and it's 8 watt. No, yes. It's a 8 volt, and it gives out 5 volt down to the ports, and to give you the 3 amps on each max, and 8 volt is the panel, and it drops it down to 5 volt. So the total output max is 6 amps. So if you do the math, calculate that. How can you, that's what I was saying, how can you have a 8 watt or 8 volt panel, and trying to put it with 8 volts times 6? There's no way it's gonna give you 100 watts. But maybe it's a magic, who knows? Technology is powerful nowadays. We can check it out and see what it is. Live here at the command center, jwsolarusa. Hope to see that on Saturday, if everything goes well. Just a day from here, tomorrow, then we're gonna be setting up for the Saturday. Bye for now. Like and subscribe.